How to sell products on AliExpress. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can sell products on AliExpress. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your web browser. After you open up your web browser, on a new tab, you will need to search for AliExpress seller. So for you to be able to sell products on AliExpress, you will need to become a seller yourself. To become a seller, just head over to this sell.aliexpress.com and become one of the sellers. So head over to the website. So tap on sell.aliexpress.com and it should take you there. Now let me just go back and tap on this one since it's on Chinese. And yeah, you can use the translate option if you're on your PC as well. So I'll just head over to this seller center, hoping that it's basically English. So if not, you can download the seller uh, app as well. So let's just head over here. So basically what you need to do is create your account here. So you can join your seller option. You can create your account. And after you create your account, you should be able to start selling. So here, what you'll need to do is create an account, list your products, and yeah, after you register the products as well, you will then be able to sell it. So yeah, the only thing that you'll need to do is become a seller on AliExpress to be able to sell products. And that's basically how you do it. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye. Take care.